This how to 1 minute will show you how to embed Facebook status post and feed in WordPress website. Follow this step-by-step guide to add or import your Facebook post and feed to your WordPress website. First of all, log into your WordPress dashboard and hover over on plugins, add new. And search for Smash Balloon, and here you have to install this plugin, Smash Balloon Social Post Feed. Don't install the social photo feed, install social post feed. Then activate the plugin. Then click on Launch the Setup wizard. And first of all, we have to connect our Facebook account here. So click on Add New. Click on Connect to Facebook. And here you have to select source type. You can connect to embed your Facebook page, post and status. Select page, and to embed your Facebook group, post and feed, select groups. I'm going to selecting page and clicking on Connect to Facebook. Continue and select your page. Next. Done. Okay. Now select your Facebook page again and click on Add. Click on Next. Scroll down and click on Next. And here disable all of these plugins and click on. Scroll down and click on Complete Setup without upgrading. And now, first of all, we have to create a feed. Then we have to customize the feed type. And after that, we will be able to embed the Facebook feed to our WordPress website. So to create a feed, click on Add New. And if you want to embed all photos from your Facebook to WordPress, then select photos. Also you can embed only videos, albums, events. So to embed all of your timeline, select timeline and click on Next. Select your page and click on Next. And here we can see my Facebook feed preview. Now from this left hand menu, you can customize your Facebook feed. You can change template, feed type, feed layout, color scheme from here. And now click on Save. Once it's saved successfully, it's time to embed this feed to our WordPress website. To do that, click on Embed and copy this embed code. Now I'm going to my page section and creating a new page for my Facebook post feed. Giving the page title Facebook feed and clicking on Add Block. Selecting shortcode and pasting the shortcode here. Publish. And viewing my page. And as you can see, my Facebook feed has been successfully embedded to my WordPress website. So this is how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe How to 1 Minute. See you in the next video.